One option for removing the background from a video is to show a slow background video and a fast front video. Let's see how to do it. Let's see how to use it so that the background will be slower than the front video. This time, I will use two different videos. First, get the first clip, then click on the video and on the left side choose the background remover. After it finishes, you can adjust the video to fit the screen. Now, get the other video as a background. Move the new clip to the background by switching between the layers on the right side. Now choose which one you want to make faster. I will go with the top video clip. Click on that layer on the right side to choose the right video. Then, on the left, in the Edit panel, you have an option to change the speed of the video. Move it around to the faster side of the scale. Do the same, but for the opposite speed, for the bottom layer. Now you have the contrast between the top layer, which goes fast, and the bottom layer, which goes slow. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.